Meaning of demographic.
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 Demographic. The term demographic refers to the characteristics and qualities of a particular population or group of people, such as age, gender, income, education level, and cultural background. Demographics can be used to analyze and understand patterns and trends in various aspects of society, such as consumer behavior, voting patterns, and public health. Studying demographics can help organizations tailor their products, services, or messaging to better appeal to different groups. Overall, demographics offer valuable insights into the diversity and complexity of human populations and can inform decision-making processes in a variety of fields.